Hey guys, so today, as you can see by the title, this is a test out of some interesting hair gadgets, I guess, that I picked up from eBay that I thought were really interesting looking and figured I would try out. So, forewarning you, some of this stuff did not go as planned and some of them just really sucked. So you will see that in this video. It's definitely not handler error because I have tested these out, and as a hairdresser I know how to use a lot of weird fun gadgets, but yeah. So, you guys have not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of fun videos like this. And if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thanks for joining us. Also, thanks for joining us if you are new. So if you want to see me trying out some weird gadgets like this and this, just keep watching. So first up is this one here, and this is called an easy hair braider. So this is supposed to give you like a French braided look. Super, super easy. They have the instructions on the back. I bought this for $1.25. This plastic piece here where you're supposed to loop the hair through. So up next is this here, and I don't even know if this has a name. It just says styling accessories on it. I picked this up for 99 cents, and what it does is it looks like, oh my gosh, I have hair on this, sorry. This is what it looks like here, and I picked one up in this color, which is, I guess, for blondes, and then this color, which is for brunettes. So those are the colors, and it kind of has like these weird, like, fake hair fibers on them. This is what they do. So they're kind of like those snap bracelets from like the 90s. Ow. But, like, you know, I guess I could wear them as a bracelet. So essentially what this is going to do is you're supposed to be able to make a bun out of it. Okay, so up next is this here, and this I got for 99 cents on eBay, and it comes with these two circle things, and then it literally has no name either. It just says Miss on it. They are two, sorry, there is literally hair all over them. Okay, so it comes with these two things here, and what you do is technically you're supposed to put the hair in between, wrap it around, and snap it back together, and it gives you a bun. And then I bought this here, and this is a French twist maker, it's called. This is what the contraption looks like. And this opens up, and you're supposed to put your hair in here, and then, you know, twist it and stick it. So this area is supposed to act as a section where it essentially sticks into your hair, so this doesn't go anywhere. I paid probably at 99 cents for this. A lot of these things were only 99 cents things. There is instructions on the back, but I'm telling you they were useless. Then I also tried this out here, and it has, this is the hard plastic, and it has like little grippy things here. I don't know if you can see. And then it's soft plastic on the other side. What you're supposed to do is put your hair in here, roll it, and then stick it like this. And there is supposed to be your handy dandy helper bun holder. This came in a pack with those like loop-de-loop things and a comb. It was 99 cents for this, and then the comb, and then two of the other things. I did do a video with the other one, but I don't know where it went. So there's that. And then there is this foamy thing here with some ribbons hanging off of it. So this essentially is what it looks like. There is foam, and then inside there is metal, so you can like rotate it and do some things. This cost me, I think, $1.50. And then lastly, I tried out these. I have a few of them. I tried out the smaller one.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
So here I am literally taking small sections of the top of my hair, kind of like if I were to be doing a French braid, and bringing them and wrapping them around the weird circle thing. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way down until it gets to the very bottom and most of my hair is wrapped around this section. This is literally supposed to look like a French braid, and it looks kind of like a French braid. It didn't really look too much like a French braid, so if you can do French braids, this is definitely something that you don't need. If you can't do a French braid, I don't really recommend this one. I recommend watching some YouTube videos. If you guys want to see me doing a Dutch braid or a French braid tutorial, leave me a comment in the comments below. Here I'm separating the hair into 3, and I'm just going to technically braid it down and finish this look off. I figured just a regular braid the rest of the way down after the clip piece was done would look better. Here I'm actually trying to tuck that weird piece of the plastic in. It stuck out a little bit after I braided it.
I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me, when you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.
Here I'm back combing my hair, and this will help to hide the donut.
But I can't seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. I need to know if you'll give me a second chance. They don't come around often, but please, you know I can't stand it when you don't talk to me. When you don't talk to me, yeah. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore. Seem to get you off my mind, and I know it's true, and I'll say this to you, I want you back. There's something inside, yeah, there's something inside that brings me back to you, yeah. No, I can't hide it, no, I can't hide it anymore.